go. Good job.
What is it?
Let me see.
Do you like them?
Ooh.
Show me, Adam. Show me.
Hold it up to mommy.
Ooh, do you like?
Now,
Say thanks, Aunt Lissa. Look at the camera and say thank you, Aunt Lissa.
Now my turn.
Yep, your turn. Go.
And then me. And then I'll play that.
Oh, she got close too.
What is that?
What do you think?
Ooh, new shirt.
Okay, say thank you, Aunt Melissa.
It looks like a short.
I'm pretty sure it's a dress. Okay.
Is it
Cute. Jane's turn.
one where you wear leggings with it?
You want to try it on? You can always put your princess dress back on. Quickly, Jane, running out of battery. Rip it, rip it.
Rip it. Emily, move. Back. Good. Right there. What is it? What is it?
Ooh, what do you think? Do you like it? Ooh, that's cute.
Go slower than my new.
Yeah. Say thank you, Aunt Melissa.